MCP Toolbox is an open-source server from Google that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI agents with databases. It translates natural language requests into SQL and runs them safely on your database. It supports a wide range of databases, including BigQuery, MySQL, SQLite, PostgreSQL, and more. For this demo, I'll connect SQLite using GitHub Copilot Agent mode in VS Code. But first, we'll install Toolbox using Homebrew. Open your terminal and execute this command: brew install MCP Toolbox. Once installed, verify the MCP Toolbox installation by running the command toolbox -- version. Next, open your project in VS Code and create a VS Code configuration directory in the project root if it doesn't already exist. Then, create a mcp.json file inside it. Copy the configuration from the official documentation and paste it into the JSON file. Update the command and SQLite _database values to match your actual setup. You can find the installation path of your toolbox by running which toolbox in your terminal. The SQLite _database variable should point to the location of your actual database file. Start the server, and now your VS Code is connected to SQLite through MCP. Open GitHub Copilot in agent mode. The toolbox includes pre-built tools that your agent can use right away. The execute _SQL tool runs any SQL query, and the list _tables tool lists all tables. Enter your first prompt to verify the connection to your database. When I prompted, show me all tables in the current database using the MCP Toolbox, Copilot agent asked my permission to access the database and then successfully listed all the tables in my current database. Next, I asked, what courses are available in the courses table? And the MCP Toolbox successfully retrieved the current course details. My next query was to add a new course to the courses table by providing the required details. And the new course was added to the database successfully. Next, I deleted the newly added table, and that action also completed without any issues. Connecting to SQLite is just one example. You can switch to other databases like PostgreSQL or SQL Server by simply updating your configuration. You can also extend MCP Toolbox using Google's SDKs to build custom tools for specific workflows and create powerful AI applications. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.